Brent.
Hey everybody, my name is JulieB. Welcome to my channel. There's Renee.
Hi, and if she messes up, I'll try to get in between and talk.
Okay, so this morning I wasn't gonna pick up the camera for 2 weeks, but
1 or 2.
I am now because I got to clean up my house because I may have a news reporter come to my house, maybe several.
And recording, I hope.
What? Yeah, I'm recording.
No, the news station.
So anyway, so I'm going to clean up my house because I'm not going to stand out and talk to him. I'll just have him come on in here and talk to me in here. And I picked up the camera because I wasn't going to. I needed to give my time to grieve, and I said what I wanted to say this morning in the commission's court about the incident that happened last week that claimed my ex-husband and my son Brent. And so now I'm going to clean and take y'all along with me. And so then that way, if they do contact me, my house is clean. How about that?
And
So anyway, yeah, Renee's going to help me. So I'm going to go find my tripod and get y'all set up. So y'all hang on. Oh, let me show you what the house looks like first. So this is what we're working with. The cat's kennel. This, clothes, crap in the floor, not vacuumed floor, crap on the table, crap all around my chair. Yep, I said crap all right. We got stuff over here that's for my son's memorial and his dad's. I got a special necklace, and I got my son and me matching bracelets. My oldest son, matching bracelets. That's something else. Then I got another bracelet for my mom. That's got velvet, and it's just about to drive me nuts. That's for my mom. It's just, that was,
You know
I got this to put my pictures of my son in. And then I got these LED flameless candles for their memorial. And then we got all of this to clean.
Well, part of it I just put down there.
And all of this to clean. And all of that to clean.
I'm trying.
So, let me go find the tripod, and we're going to get this on the ball.
I need to hang up these totes.
I don't know where I put it. Okay, so anyway, Channel 8 News came out and did a story on what happened. It should be airing tonight. This is the 13th, 14th? What is today's date? Today is March 14th. They still have not identified my child. I'm going to have to go get a mouth swab so they can do that. But, yeah, I'm a very broken, shattered mama. It's been hard and rough. I missed his text on Monday saying, "Hey, Mama, I love you. See you later." That voice will always go through my head. His dad and I weren't ugly to each other. We were friends. We stayed friends after we divorced. There was a lot that went on. But, yeah. I'm just biding my time, trying to make life as it is without him.
Your grace is love beyond all means. It breaks the chains and gives strength to the weak. When I am lost, you're there with me. Your grace alone can set me free. blows no wind. It covers me and is my defense. When I am weak, you're strong for me. Your grace alone can set me free. Your grace alone is good enough. Without your grace, there is no love. Wherever I go, you go with me. Your grace alone can comfort me. Your grace extends and offers light that never ends, and I don't know why. When I am lost, you're there with me. Your grace alone can set me free. Your grace alone is good enough. Without your grace, there is no love. Wherever I go, you go with me. Your grace alone can comfort me. Your grace alone is good enough. Without your grace, there is no love. Wherever I go, you go with me. Your grace alone can rescue me. Your grace alone can save me. Save me.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from up above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. I can see though my eyes are all closed. Yeah, he gives me strength to carry on and always lets me know that I'm fine just the way he made me. Every perfect imperfection is all because of him. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. somebody here. And he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Oh, I know you, and I praise you. Got my arms open for your love. Oh, I want to be near you. I hear angels from above. They sing hallelujah. They sing hallelujah.
When the darkness crumbles from the mighty sound of a voice that calls us until we're finally found, till we're finally found.
Standing in your presence now, torn apart and broken down. Even still we think we got it all figured out. Come and set our hearts on fire. Wake us up with your desire. You're the one we're fighting for, our only hope.
Our only hope. In a world of heartbreak, in a world of tears, there's a hope before us that's covering all our fears.
Standing in your presence now, torn apart and broken down. Even still we think we've got it all figured out. Come and set our hearts on fire. Wake us up with your desire. You're the one we're fighting for.
Okay. I think we're just about pretty much done, aren't we? Okay, so I'm going to end this here. Just be in prayer for me and my family. This is a hard time. So I not only have to bury my son, I have to bury my ex-husband. Anyway, so y'all have a good day. See you. Bye. Goodbye, Renee.
Bye, y'all.
See y'all later.